Hey everyone, today on Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen, I'm going to change it up a bit and show you a really effective way on how to keep your hands clean and washed, and a visual to show you which way is best and which way is better. So let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen today. My name is Sonya Paz and I'm your Spice Master. But today I'm not going to be sharing with you a recipe. I am going to be talking to you a bit about the best way and the most effective way to wash your hands. But before we get started with all of that, I just want to make sure if you can subscribe down to the channel, hit the bell so that you can get notified of when I have new videos. First of all, a big giant kudos and a huge embrace to all of the essential workers out there. Thanks to all of the healthcare providers and everyone who is doing what they need to do to keep all of us safe. Keeping indoors is essential as well. So if you are indoors, and hopefully you are, you're doing something productive, whether it's being creative or cooking your meals instead of going out. Get the family together, work on puzzles, get some game nights going, have some movie nights. You know, the best thing right now is to be close to your family, hug your loved ones, snuggle, camp in, make forts, or whatever it is that your family does to make sure that you're safe. But today I'm going to show you a little different thing that is not a recipe for food using Sonya's Sweet and Spicy. It is going to be a recipe and tips for the right way to wash your hands. I'm going to use my gloves. I've got some paint. Yep, believe it or not, I'm an artist, so I always have paint around. But you don't need paint for this. You just need soap and water. So I've got my gloves, I got my paint, and I'm going to show you with the paint the best way to get your hands washed so that it is most effective. Some people just grab a little soap, do a little wash under the sink, and that's just not enough to keep away coronavirus and all the other creepy germs out there. All right, so I got my gloves on because this is what I'm going to show you is the easy. I'm using paint, and as an artist I always paint around. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to show you how this works. So you've got your bare hands and you're washing them under the sink, and you think, okay, well, I'm just going to wash them like this and, you know, everything's going to be fine. Well, actually, no. So what you're going to want to do is with the sudsy water and the suds and everything, you're going to just work yourself between your fingers. You're going to do this like this, get between your fingers here. And I always hum 2 verses of Happy Birthday because everyone knows Happy Birthday. So 2 versions of Happy Birthday work into about 20 seconds, or maybe just a little bit more. So you're going to do the top of your hands, and then you're going to do between your fingers like this. And you're going to get the tips of your fingers, and then you're going to work on those thumbs. Because you are always touching. So when you're touching with your thumbs and your fingers, you know, it's the parts that need to be washed. So if you can, get up into your wrist area, do like this, and guess what? You've got your hands that have been completely washed with soap and water. 20 seconds, 2 happy birthdays, tips, fingers, thumbs, wrists, top of your hands, and your palms. That's a thumbs up from me for effective hand washing. So there you have it, hand washing, 2 happy birthdays, suds, sink, water, you've got it going. And this is the visual to make sure that you understand how important it is to get your hands washed the right way. Because on the back of your hands, you could very well have touched the top of your hands and then go rub your face, so what's the purpose? Hands, front, back, fingers, thumbs, between your fingers and your wrists. That is effectiveness. So, hey everyone, we are all in this together. You know, I really appreciate all of everybody's concern and their cautiousness inside the stores. People, from my experience, have been behaving pretty well. A lot of people are respecting one another's space, and that is huge. So, hey, check out the social media information down below if you're interested in Sonya's Sweet and Spicy. But I wanted just to be sure to give you the best recipe today on hand washing. So that's it for today, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're keeping busy. Get organized. Have a movie. Love your loved ones. Cozy in. And be safe. That's the most important thing, is be safe. So that's it. And you all have a great week. And I will talk with you again later. Take care. Thanks.